Hello everyone, welcome to Jami Reviews. This is our 21st video of Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the structs, right? I want for that one, please look in that one because today's topic is the methods that is highly depend on the struct, right? Okay, I will clear my last video example. And let's discuss about the methods, right? Okay, co support methods defined on struct type. I will create a simple method, right? We already have discussed function, right? It's similar to the functions func, and create a function name like as area and return type is int, right? And also we want to return something, right? Return 0. I am returning 0. Okay, then I will create a struct called rect, right? Rectangle struct. Each and every rectangle has an width and also height, right? Because weight and height are similar type, I can define it like this way, right? Okay, then we can pass this rect to the rect struct to the method, right? This area method has a receiver type of pointer rect, right? I am receiving the pointer type of rectangle struct, right? Then we can access these things, right? If we want to calculate the area, how we can calculate the area? Using the r dot width multiplied by r dot height, right? In this way we can access the attributes of the structure, right? This is the simple way that we can create the methods, right? In here, important thing was that we are receiver type of pointer, right? Type of pointer, right? What is the base struct of that? Rect, right? And also we can create the method by receiving the value, right? In here we are receiving the pointer. I am now writing receiving the value. How we can use that? Like in this way, right? And I am calculating the perimeter, and I am returning int value. Return r dot, right? How we can calculate the perimeter? 2 multiply by r dot height plus 2 multiply by r dot width, right? In this way we can calculate the perimeter, right? In here, this is the way that we can create the methods, right? In here, two different receiver types. This is a pointer receiver value, and this is a value receiver, right? Value receiver type. And also, then I will show you how we can call to this functions, right? First, I will create a variable called r with rect, right? Then I can define the width as width is 10, height is 5. Like in this way we can simply create a variable with the using the rectangle struct, right? Then I can simply if we want to print the R, we can simply print like in this way, right? This is the attributes that we have provided to the rectangle struct. Okay, then if you want to call to here, right? If you want to call to here, this is a value receiver now. Then we can simply call like in this way, fmt dot println, right, area comma r dot area, right? Like in this way we can simply call, right? Because we have defined the method, right? What is the receiver type? Receiver type rect. Using the rect r dot area we can call, like in this way we can call the perimeter as well, right? Perim equal at r dot perim, right? Like in this way we can calculate the perimeter and the area, right? Hope you got that one, right? And also this is the way that we can call to area and perimeter, right? Okay, then how we can call using the pointer? I am creating the variable called rp and get the address of r, and then I am simply copy this thing and paste rp dot area rp dot perim. Like in this way we can simply call to that, right? This is a very simple thing, right? In here receiver type is pointer, in here receiver type is value, right? This is the way that we can call to the each and every method, right? First we want to initialize that rectangle struct or whatever struct, and then we can simply call in like this way, right? These are the things that I want to explain you regarding the methods, right? This is a very important topic when we are going through the Go related things, and if we use that in high level way, we are actually most probably using this concept, right? That's why the reason I am teaching those things for you. If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel and please share these things with your friends, and we will meet in the next week. Thank you.